Hey y'all, it's your girl D Brittany Shanice, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. I have another Jessieswig, of course. I finessed it, and now I'm about to go to the club because this is a hot girl summer, and we out. I have another closure wig from Jessieswig, and it's a transparent lace. So this is a sample. Sample of the lace. It's a 5x5. I washed it and I also plucked the wig as well. So all I need to do is apply some makeup. I applied makeup to my bald cap while I was doing my makeup because I'm a multitasking queen. I'm gonna take my same beauty blender that I use for my foundation and just apply it to the lace. Okay, so I've been seeing the girlies on TikTok use eyelash glue for their lace glue, and I think I want to give it a try because one, I don't have glue. Two, glue is expensive. Three, I just want to try it out, see if it works. Okay, so I just used some rubbing alcohol to wipe off the makeup, you know, by the hairline. And I'm gonna use the duo glue, white duo glue. And I'll just apply it as if I'm applying regular lace glue. I'm not sure how many layers I should use, so we'll do 2. Yeah, we'll definitely need 2 layers. I keep it inside my heart, and I keep a petty because I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you want to do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you because you gotta go.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
I may have done a little too much, but we'll see. Hopefully it's tacky enough. Look in this mirror over here. I feel like it's sticking. Could push it back a little bit. It was a fail, and I am using this instead. My go-to. I basically peeled the glue off, trying to take away some of the sides of the ball cap because I didn't need it. So I'm gonna just do it glueless and use the spray. Okay. I put some ice on you because you gotta go. Middle part or like a flip? Yeah, I can't do a flip over. My side's gonna show. See how that eyelash glue coming up? I hope they're not too short.
Bruh.
We'll make it work. We're gonna make it work. Okay, I just finessed these baby hairs. Will it be cute? Okay, now I'm feeling it. Since I did a little swoop right there. little hot comb. I cleaned up the part with a little concealer. And your girl is done. Now I'm ready for the glue. The glue. 5x5 crystal lace closure. Curly wig. Pretty. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think it's cute.
Just wait for my demons to catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get bumped. Annoying the sound of the song when it comes. You understand, I can't take every word, nigga, Thank
y'all so much for watching. Please come back for more. Come back for more. Come back for more. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. All of this stuff. I love y'all. Bye.
I get my body when I just